Hi, I'm Jesse, and here at VMP, we want you to go fast. Did you recently install a VMP supercharger or other power adder, but you're not ready for that full fuel system yet? Well, VMP has a solution for you, our VMP Fuel Pump Voltage Booster. It stabilizes your voltage and increases your flow rate. Simply tossing a set of injectors in your car won't be the answer to your fueling needs. Let's get boosted. The VMP Fuel Pump Voltage Booster fits all Coyote cars 11 to 19 and GT500s 7 to 14, and Coyote powered F-150s. It's fully plug and play, so no dealing with slicing and splicing into your car's harness. Simply disconnect the factory harness from the FPDM and plug VMP's Fuel Pump Voltage Booster in line with the factory harness and bolt down the ground. It's that simple. With our plug and play system, there's no more expertise needed, there's no more long hours in the back seat of your car. Simply plug it in and gain that performance headroom you've been looking for. To get your hands on the VMP Fuel Pump Voltage Booster, go ahead and call sales and support or click the link in the description down below. And if you want to learn how to install this into your car, go ahead and click the link over here. Excuse me, sir, but how do you feel since getting boosted? Like, smash, subscribe, ding 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 for the bell. You know what's up.